welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and how are you today? So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been to my channel before, thank you for stopping by again. Today I have an unboxing Fashionphile. How many of you like Fashionphile? I love the website. It is so easy to maneuver, work through. It's just, I love this design, everything about Fashionphile. And if you do not know, yes, you can place your items on reserve and pay for them, and you have 60 days. No, this video is not sponsored by Fashionphile, but I do enjoy shopping with them. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into this Fashionphile unboxing. I have my trusty dusty again. Yep. I have another one right here. And then I open the box up and hey, that's what it says. And then inside, nicely boxed with that Fashionphile file. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Okay, now, all right, Fashionphile. All right, that's what it says on the back, and that is the front. And then you have all these little goodies in various colors and sizes. You have a thank you, a shop, sale, repeat. Yep, so buy it now, you don't like it, or use it now, and then a couple months down the line, return it. They will give you a percentage of the price that you paid back to you for something else that you want to buy. I think that's pretty cool, you know, because sometimes items work for you, sometimes they don't. And here is my receipt. I got a small discount. It really packaged it nicely. So this is how it's inside with a little cutesy, oh, excuse me. And then it is this package, and that's how you see it. And it says, use is the new new. Here we go. Vuitton. The Vuitton. And then you also have your Fashionphile bag. I need to figure out what to do with these bags. So comment below, like, what do you do with these bags? Authenticity. Sometimes I have to say it very slow or to come out like I'm cursing at you, and we don't want that. So this is the certificate of authenticity, and it says a Louis Vuitton Monogram, keep it. And it gives you the description of how it should be packaged, and it says comes with box and dust bag. So it'll let you know. And what I usually do is I go online to make sure that is exactly what it says. Here it is. Oh, I don't want that to drop. There you go. It is. So it's like the monogram canvas bracelet rolled in, it's like double with a gold tone side. So we have gold tone detailing on 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 4. So on the sides, in the front, with the lock. I love items with the lock on them. I don't know why. What is my obsession with locks? the closure, close and open right here, and it has Louis Vuitton, the LV engraved in the front. So these double buttons, that's what you push together, and that's how you open it. And this, there's no lock at the bottom, but it's beautiful, and it has the LV on the front and on the back of the lock, which is beautiful, because you know sometimes we are doing things with our arm and it goes from one side whoop, to the other. So I'm bringing it closer. Can you see it? And I purchased this because I wanted it to go with another piece. So I want to layer it, but it's beautiful by itself. Let me see if I can put it on without a hassle with these nails. Oh, the drama. Take off this bracelet. The life of having nails. So I'm going to come close and I'm going to show you. There it is. It's beautiful. There you go. So that is item number 1. There is the box. Okay. Hi, I'm still here. Let's get the other side. There we go. It has the Fashionphile logo printed on both sides of the flap. I like that touch a lot. I don't know why. Let me put this flap up. And then on the opposite side, it has this logo. Alright. We have all these things. You have the envelope with all your information inside. I shall open it. Okay. Inside again, it has my receipt. And trusty, that's the receipt. And all of those cards again. We want this bag back. Is it a bag? That is my question to you. Comment below. Let's start with okay. Oh, and yes. Wow, that box is big. Okay. When you open your box, you're gonna get this, some pretty little circles, gray and pink. You're going to get a booklet with all of your information in it and the receipt, how to go about returning an item to resale if you do not like it. And it's not like you don't like it. Maybe you just needed it for one occasion. Some people, that's how it is. You just need it for one occasion, and after that, you're done. Send it back. They are going to give you a percentage of your money back, and you can use it towards another something. It says, use is the new. Use is the new. Yes, it is. For me, it is. And so, okay, I had to look. I had to see. I was like, what is that? Okay, so this is what we have. And again, we get a bag. Yes. And and with pearls and the spikes. The spikes. Is the purchase. Put that down and show you. And these are, let's see what it says. How did that happen? Now you see it. Oh, that just came off. I guess it's mine because it said remove the tag and it's yours. Okay. So I don't even know what to say. Because this is unboxing and the tag just flew off because that tag just came right off. Anyway, moving on. Okay. All right. So, another item. Okay. And you have the sticker. You have this box with Fashionphile bag. There you go. What do you think? Come back, boots. Yes or no? It's a chunky heel. Look at that. Okay, there you go. White shoelaces, the green and red that go around the ankle and then buckle. Yeah, pretty cool, right? I think so. Gucci tweed GG lace-up combat ankle boot. Comes with box and 2 dust bags. And here are the 2. So 2, 39 plus. So I don't know if it is that means the 39 is 39.5. Here is the extra laces with a Gucci printed on the wrapping, the boots. The thing for me is I don't really see the double G's like I should. You know, like they're not pronounced. What do you think? I like them. I love the chunky heel. But I don't know about the double G's. Can you see them? Okay, can you see the double G's? It says made in Italy, Gucci, star. It has a star. They are a 39.5. Let's put them on, okay? Oh, I'm back. I am gonna include some mod shots either here or there, somewhere up in here. Comment below what you think. This is the unboxing from Fashionphile, but it is of the Gucci sneakers, the Gucci comeback boots, and then the Louis Vuitton locket bracelet, which I love. I was in the store and I seen it in store, and then I looked online and it wasn't that much of a difference, but I chose to get it on Fashionphile. So yes, so that's it for this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and until then, stay classy.